Let's start the second part of structural organization in animal cockroach. 7.4 Cockroach. Cockroaches are brown black bodied animals that are included in class Insecta of phylum Arthropoda. Bright yellow, red and green colored cockroaches have also been reported in tropical regions. Their sizes ranges from 1 by 4 inches to 3 inches, 0.6 to 7.6 centimeter, and have long antenna, legs, and flat extension of upper body wall that conceals head. They are nocturnal omnivores that live in damp places throughout the world. They have become resident of human homes and thus are serious pest and vector of several diseases. 7.4.1 Morphology. The adults of the common species of cockroach, Periplaneta americana, are about 34 to 53 long, with wings that extended beyond the tip of the abdomen in males. The body of the cockroach is segmented and divisible into three distinct regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The entire body is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton, brown in color. In each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates called ciliates, tergites dorsally, sternites ventrally, that are joined to each other by a thin flexible articular membrane, that is arthoradial membrane. Head is triangular in shape. Head is triangular in shape and lies entirely at the right angles to the longitudinal body axis. It is formed by the fusion of six segments and shows great mobility in all directions due to flexible neck. The head capsule bears a pair of compound eyes. A pair of thread-like antennae arises from membranous sockets lying in front of eyes. Antennae have sensory receptors that help in monitoring the environment. Anterior end of the head bears appendages forming biting and chewing type of mouth parts. The mouth parts consisting of a labrum, that is upper lip, a pair of mandibles, a pair of maxillae, and a labium, lower lip. Median flexible lobe, acting as a tongue, hypopharynx, lies within the cavity enclosed by the mouth parts. Thorax consists of three parts: protothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. The head is connected with thorax by a short extension of the protothorax known as the neck. Each thorax segment bears a pair of walking legs. The first pair of wings arises from mesothorax and the second pair of the metathorax. Forewings, mesothorax, called tegmina, are opaque, dark, and leathery and cover the hind wings. When at rest, the hind wings are transparent, membranous, and are used in flight. The abdomen in both males and females consists of 10 segments. In females, the seventh sternum is boat-shaped and together with 8 and 9 sterna forms a brood or genital pouch whose structure anterior part contains female gonophore, spermatical pores and collateral glands. In males, genital pouch or chamber lies at the hind end of abdomen, bounded dorsally by ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by the ninth sternum. It contains dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore, and gonopophysis. Males bear a pair of short thread-like anal styles which are absent in females. In both sexes, the 10th segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structure called anal cerci or cerci, anal cerci. 7.4.2 Anatomy. The alimentary canal present in the body cavity is divided into three regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. The mouth opens into a short tubular pharynx leading to narrow tubular passage called esophagus. This is turns opens into a sac-like structure called crop used for storing of food. The crop is followed by gizzard of proventriculus. It has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner cuticle forming six highly chitinous a plate called teeth. Gizzard helps in grinding the food particles. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle. A ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric caeca is present at the junction of foregut and midgut, which secrete digestive juice. At the junction of midgut and hindgut is present another ring of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. They help in removal of excretory product from hemolymph. The hindgut is broader than midgut and differentiated into ileum, colon, and rectum. The rectum opens out through anus. Blood vascular system of cockroach is an open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into a space hemocoel. Visceral organs located in the hemocells are bathed in blood, that is hemolymph. The hemolymph is a composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. Blood from sinuses enter heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly to sinuses again. The respiratory system consists of a network of trachea that open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles present on the lateral side of the body. Thin branching tubes, tracheal tubes subdivided into tracheas, carry oxygen. Tracheoles subdivided into tracheoles carry oxygen from the air to all the parts. The opening of the spiracles is regulated by the sphincter. Exchanges of gases takes place at the tracheoles by diffusion. Excretion is performed by Malpighian tubules. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cells. They absorb nitrogenous waste produce and they absorb nitrogenous waste products and convert them into uric acid, which is excreted out through the hindgut. Therefore this insect is called uricotelic. In addition, the fat body, nephrocytes, and uricose glands also help in excretion. The nervous system of the cockroach consists of series of fused segmentally arranged ganglia joined by paired longitudinal connectives on the ventral side. Three ganglia lie in the thorax and six in the abdomen. The nervous system of the cockroach is spread throughout the body. The head holds a bit of nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventrally belly side part of its body. So now you understand that if the head of a cockroach is cut off, it will still alive for as long as 1 week. In the head region, the brain is represented by supra esophageal ganglion, which supplies nerves to antenna and compared eyes. In cockroach, the sense organs are antenna, eyes, maxillary palps, labial palps, anal cerci or cerci, etc. The compound eyes are situated at the dorsal surface of the head. Each eye consists of about 2000 hexagonal Ometidia, singular ometidium. With the help of several ometidia, a cockroach can receive several images of an object. This kind of vision is known as mosaic vision, with more sensitivity but less resolution, being common during night, hence called nocturnal vision. Cockroaches are dioecious and both sexes have well-developed reproductive organ. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes on lying on each lateral side in the fourth to sixth abdominal segments. From each testis arises a thin vas deferens which opens into the ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle. The ejaculatory duct opens into a male gonophore situated ventral to anus. A characteristic mushroom-shaped gland is present in the sixth to seventh abdominal segment, which function as an accessory reproductive gland. The external genitalia are represented by male gonophysis or phallomere, chitinous asymmetrical structures surrounding the male gonophore. The sperm are stored in the seminal vesicle and are glued together in the form of bundles called spermatophores, which are discharged during copulation. The female reproductive system consists of two large ovaries lying laterally in the second to sixth abdominal segment. Each ovary is formed of a group of eight ovarian tubules or ovules containing a chain of developing ova. Oviduct of each ovary unite into a single median oviduct, also called vagina, which opens into the genital chamber. A pair of spermatheca is present in the sixth segment, which opens into the genital chamber. Sperms are transferred through the spermatophores. The fertilized eggs are encased in capsule called uthi, Uthike Uthika is a dark reddish blackish brown capsule about 3 by 8 or 8 mm long. They are dropped or glued to suitable surface, usually in a crack or crevice of relative humidity near a food source. On an average, female produce 9 to 10 uthi, each containing 14 to 16 eggs. The development of Periplantana americana is polymetabolous, meaning there is a development through nymphal stage. The nymph looks very much like adults. The nymph grows by molting about 13 minutes to reach the adult form. The next to last nymphal stage has wings pads, but only adult cockroaches have wings. Many species of cockroaches are wild and are of no known economic importance. Are of no known economic importance yet. A few species thrive in and around human habitat. They are pests because they spoil food and contaminate with their smelly excreta. They can transmit a variety of bacterial diseases by contaminating food material. Thank you.